Welcome. If this is your first time here, I'm Red and I'll be your Sunny trainer for today. We have a huge library of cardio and bodyweight workouts and new releases every week. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell and stay tuned and stay updated for new releases. Today's workout will be on the mini step. We're going to be doing 10 minutes of interval training. Go ahead and set your mini stepper to your desired depth. And we're just going to gradually start to step, and we'll do work intervals in addition to rest intervals. And our work intervals will be 30 seconds with a 15-minute rest interval, okay? Press with the entire foot, primarily the heel. Be kind to your joints and no locking out. So, let's get to the work interval. Going a little bit faster. You can use your arms if you like, or you can stay down and act like you're doing a fast-paced walk. Just depends on you. If you want to slow the pace down and go deeper, do so. Either way it goes, make sure that you keep moving. Also, do not hold your breath. Periodically take deep cleansing breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth, keeping your core tight. If you're more straight up, you're going to feel this more in your quads. If you give it a little lean, it'll definitely be more glute action going on. When we're doing the rest intervals, we're just going to take it a little slower, go down a little deeper. Not too much to remember, but definitely you'll feel it. Let's start back with the 30-second work interval, going a little faster, using your arms more if you like. Again, core tight, shoulders back, chest up. I prefer to lean forward a bit. Get a little bit more glute going. You can never have too much glute. And 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 15-second rest interval. Going a little deeper. Once again, this is a 10-minute beginner workout on the mini step. So take your time, no judgment. Showing up is the hardest part, and you're here. All right, back to the work interval. Going a little faster. Using your arms if you want. Long swings if you prefer. Or our elbows can be bent as if you're jogging. That works too. Make sure you're breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. 15 seconds. Rest interval. Going a little deeper. For those of you who want a little more challenge, feel free to stay with the working pace. But for those who are starting out, enjoy the rest. Back to the working, 30 seconds. Once again, pump or swing, but they'll definitely be larger. Inhale through the nose, blow out through the mouth. Let's go back to rest interval, nice and smooth. Here, what I want you to concentrate on is your breathing, of course, your balance, engaging your core, keeping things tight, and making sure that you're not locking out those knees. We want to be kind to our joints. Back to the work interval. Let's go. You can always pretend that you're marching. To where? I don't know. Use your imagination. Make sure you're breathing. 15-second rest. Really not resting because you're still moving, but take this time to really focus on your breathing, controlled breathing. Starting back with the work set, 30 seconds. If you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and take a moment to step off your stepper, grab some water, go ahead and add a little bit more depth to your machine and make your steps steeper. We have 5 more seconds of the work interval. 3, 2, 1. Going back to deep and resting. For those of you who do not have a heart monitor watch, go ahead and just check your carotid, which is right on the neck here, under the chin. You can go ahead and feel the increase in your heart rate if you're not certain that you're working. All right, back to the resting set. Work interval, work. There is work in working out. Make sure you're breathing. Course tight, either pump or a wide swing. 4, 3, 2, rest, 15 seconds. Inhale through that nose, blow out through the mouth. If you're not certain if you're breathing correctly, use sound when you do. Inhale, hold a beat, let out. That way you can make certain that you're releasing. Let's go back to a work set. Lean forward a little bit if you want to get more glutes. Stay more straight and erect if you want to get quads. If you have a view, I recommend you can put this in front of the window and look out. Or maybe during your favorite television show or movie. Whatever's going to help you get through. It's not considered cheating. All right, 15-second rest. Deep cleansing breath. Blow out. Nice and smooth. All right, back to a work interval. Pick up your pace. Use those arms. Five, 4, 3, 2, rest interval. Nice and slow and deep. Controlled breathing. Again, self-check. Need water, feel free to get it. If you still feel like a certain muscle is more fatigued than it should be, go ahead and step off, give a little stretch, and then get back to it. Shoulders back, chest up, good posture, like you're a dancer. Let's go back to a working set. Working set, working interval, same thing. Rest set, resting interval, same thing. One's work, a little harder. One, a little easier, allowing you to catch your breath or allow the muscle to release some of that lactic acid where it's not burning so much. Let's go another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. rest interval. I don't know about you, but I think I like them equally the same. I appreciate the work, but I also appreciate the rest. Make sure you're breathing. Nice and smooth. We're cooling down. You can slow your pace down a bit. Make sure you're breathing. Can't stress that enough. You'll be amazed how many people resort to shallow breathing or holding their breath. We're gonna be stopping in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'd like to thank everyone for showing up. It's not easy, but I appreciate you. See you guys next time.
If you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I teach Pilates, cycling, rowing. I'm on the treadmill, so come find me, plus me and many more from all of our other amazing Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click on the link in the description below so we can work out together. Yeah? Yeah.